In a world driven by innovation, transformation, and sustainability, the role of cost and management accountants has never been more vital. The Institute of Cost Accountants of India, a pioneer in strategic financial leadership, proudly presents the 62nd National Cost and Management Accountants Convention, NCMAC 2025, at a time when businesses are redefining success beyond profits, where technology, sustainability, and strategy converge. CMAs are leading the charge, empowering businesses with insight, integrity, and innovation. Themed Corporate Excellence CMA Vision, NCMAC 2025 is set to ignite discussions, inspire ideas, and lay the foundation for a future-ready profession. Join us from May 23rd to May 25th, 2025 at the spectacular SOA University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, where history, culture, and vibrant energy blend seamlessly with futuristic thinking. In a special gesture, the Institute has extended a cordial invitation to Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister for Education, to grace the 62nd NCMAC 2025 as the chief guest, bringing greater inspiration and honor to this momentous gathering. Over 3 transformational days, immerse yourself in thought-provoking sessions on total cost management, taxation, financial reporting, and AI in accounting. Insights from eminent leaders, policymakers, and industry experts. Path-breaking ideas to embrace technology, sustainability, and strategic innovation. Connect with fellow visionaries. Expand your horizons. Redefine your impact. It's time to awaken your Divya Drishti, the deeper strategic insight that empowers CMAs to look beyond numbers, beyond the obvious, and shape decisions that drive lasting value. While you elevate your professional journey, take a moment to explore the timeless beauty of Odisha, a land where every stone tells a story. Marvel at the breathtaking Konark Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Experience the deep spiritual fervor at the revered Jagannath Temple in Puri, one of the Char Dham pilgrimage sites, radiating faith and devotion for centuries. Bask in the golden sands of Puri Beach, where the rhythmic waves and vibrant sunrises offer moments of pure serenity. Wander through the colorful lanes of Pipili's Applico Craft Village and witness traditional artistry that breathes life into Odisha's rich cultural tapestry. From the tranquil Chilika Lake, Asia's largest brackish water lagoon, to the lively energy of Bhubaneswar's ancient temples and bustling streets, Odisha welcomes you with open arms to experience its soul, its heritage, and its timeless charm. Be a part of the future of the CMA profession. Because behind every successful business decision, there is always a CMA. Save the dates. May 23rd to 25, 2025. Venue, Convention Center, Campus 2, SOA University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha,